In this video, we will be introducing a new idea, and that is called upper and lower bounds. We will go through what are upper and lower bounds, and I'll give you an example to see what exactly I'm talking about. So this is a number line. The number line has the number 162. We need to put an upper bound, which is 162.5, and the lower bound, that is 161.5. So when we need to consider the upper bound, it is up by 0.5, and the lower bound is lower by 0.5, since 162 is a whole number. But when you write it in a range form, we say 162 is greater than or equal to 161.5 and strictly less than 162.5. Now you're wondering why I wrote or equal in the 161.5 side, and that is because maybe 162 has been rounded up, since all numbers from 161.5 up until 161.9 are rounded up to 162. But 162.5 cannot be rounded down, it can only be rounded up. So this is why I didn't write or equal on the right side of 162. So the first rule is to have a half the degree of accuracy. So we go half a degree up and half a degree down. So half is basically 0.5. So this is why I wrote 162.5 and 161.5. The other rule says add or subtract this from the rounded value. So 162 minus 0.5 is 161.5, and that is the lower bound. And when we add it up, we had 162.5, and that was the upper bound. So this is basically everything you need to know about upper and lower bounds, and we will be solving more exercises in the upcoming tutorials.